Today, I'll show you how to grow vegetables indoor using LETPOT hydroponics growing system from seeds to harvest. First, these are the seeds that we are going to plant. Set on auto mode and then it's getting water from here. Now let's insert them here. On the 6 baskets, I'm going to plant. The seeds have sprouted and this is day 5. Now this is day 8. Let's replenish the water. This is very easy to maintain. It can detect when the water reservoir is low and I only have to replenish the water once. Also, it has automatic watering and nutrient supply. This is day 17 and look at our hydroponics now. The lettuce are growing beautifully. Again, this is from LETPOT and they're actually ready for harvest. If you are interested in growing food but you don't have a backyard or a balcony to grow them because you live in a high-rise building or an apartment, then this is perfect for you. Cut them into like smaller pieces like that. If you would like fresh vegetables and in the market for a hydroponics growing system, I highly recommend this product. Also, please check my Amazon storefront for other products that I love to use.